or compare the Arrhenius equation with the energy distribution curve given by Maxwell and Boltzmann. In Arrhenius equation, we have seen K is equal to A exponential EA upon RT. Now here EA upon RT is the fraction of molecule having kinetic energy greater than activation energy. This fraction is shown in the graph. Activation energy, which we call the energy required to form activated complex. So the fraction of molecule having energy greater than activation energy is represented by minus exponential minus EA upon RT in Arrhenius equation. Now Arrhenius equation we can write by taking log of both sides. ln K is equal to minus EA upon RT plus ln A. This is a factor A and this is B. A log of A into B is written as log A plus log B. So it will be written as B is in negative, so we will write it first EA upon RT plus log A. Now it is clear from the curve. If we see this equation, it is a linear equation following the linearity criteria. Y is equal to mx plus c. That increase in temperature decreases the activation energy. If we will, this is the constant EA upon RT. So when we will increase temperature, the activation energy will decrease, which results into the increase in the rate of reaction. When we plot ln K versus 1 upon T, the slope, the negative slope gives us the value of EA upon R and the intercept gives us the value of ln K. ln K versus 1 upon T. The T I have written here in capital means we have to take which temperature? Temperature in absolute scale. Now let at T1 the rate constant is K1. So Arrhenius equation will become ln K1 is equal to minus EA upon RT1 plus ln A. At temperature T2 the rate constant be K2. ln K2 is equal to minus EA upon R2 plus ln A. ln A is constant for a reaction. So on subtracting equation 2 from 1, this will be cancelled. ln K2 minus ln K1 can be written as ln K2 minus ln K1 is equal to EA upon RT1 minus EA upon RT2, or ln K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon R into 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. A natural log, when you are writing in the 10 base log, we can replace ln by 2.303 log and we get this equation: log K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon R into 2.303 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. It's clear. Now numericals are based on this equation.